How to create email account in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. In the Email Manager section, click Email Accounts. You can create new email accounts and manage your existing email accounts from this interface. Click Create Account. Create username and password of new email account in the text input boxes provided. You can set a quota for your email account by entering the size in megabytes. You can also check this box and set the limit up to the maximum available space. You can set a limit on sending emails also. By default, the limit is 200 emails. Once ready, click Create Account. Success! We have set up the email account. Now copy and save the password. We will require it while logging in our new email account. Here is the new email account we just created. Thank you for watching.